Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to create an account in LinkedIn application. LinkedIn is used for professional networking and career development. It allows job seekers to post their CVs and employers to post jobs. It is an online platform that connects the world's professional. With your LinkedIn profile, you can summarize your professional experience to your connections, current and future employers and recruiters. Through your profile, you can showcase your professional life, milestones, skills, and interest. So, to get started, let's create an account in LinkedIn. First of all, install LinkedIn application in your device, then tap on LinkedIn. Now tap on Join Now. Write down your first name, then your last name into the second option. Now tap on the blue button that says Continue. You can add whether your phone number or your email. Here I am going to write down my phone number. Now tap on the blue button that says Continue. Now type down a password which is strong and makes your account secure. Now tap on the blue button that says Agree and Join. Now tap on the option that says Verify. Now pick the image that is correct way up. Okay, this has proven that you are a human. Now check your mobile message box. You will certainly receive a verification code. Now type down the verification code that has been given by LinkedIn. Mine is 125327. 125327. Now tap on the blue button that says Submit. Now write down your location, tap on Next. Now this profile will be helping you to discover people as well as opportunities. So write about your bio. If you are a student, then tap here. Then write down your university or school's name, the degree that you have recently got hold on. Your specialization means the subject that you have got the degree in. Now you'll have to write your initial year of your schooling or university and your end year. Since I'm no more a student, I'm going to write about my business title. Since I'm a content writer, I'm going to write content writer in here. Now select your employment type. Since I'm a freelancer, I chose freelance. Now industry, my writings are more oriented in IT services and IT consulting. So now I'll tap on Next. You can whether add a photo if you want to, but for now I'm going to skip. Why are you here for? Whether you are searching for a job or are you just exploring the application, make your choice and choose one of these options. Since I'm here to look for a job, so I'll press on yes. I'm open for remote work, and this is my job title, this is my job location. Now I'm going to tap on next. Now you can again tap for next. I'd like to let the recruiters know that I'm open for new job. Now again I'll tap on next. So great, this sets my LinkedIn account. This is my profile now. Well, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you have any suggestions for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Enjoy exploring with LinkedIn. Bye bye. Take care.